Hi guys, my name is Mallory Jane, and as you most know, I wanted to redo our bedroom because it is a big dark ball of blue right now. I swear I don't like the colors in here. Anyways, I was gonna start with the walls, and I swear I'm gonna do that soon. Anyways, we're gonna start with the nightstand because I redid our lampshade and it's gold, and it's really killing me looking at it sitting on a dark coffee colored nightstand. Okay, so there's a lamp that I'm not completely done with, which is why I haven't posted a video on it yet. Almost. So anyways, there's the dark coffee colored nightstand that's just seriously killing me with the gold on it. I just can't even anymore. So we're gonna do that first. In my little craft corner, I have many of them going on. We actually just got our shed finished, so I'll be able to move a lot of that stuff, you know, out to the shed. Anyways, we're gonna clean this baby off and go sand her down. Hey guys, so I got my nightstand outside and I got a 200 grit sandpaper, and I'm just gonna start sanding the top of it. So I started off sanding the very top of the nightstand. I started going in circles, but then I decided just to kind of like go back and forth. It doesn't really matter because this is a laminate. This is not real wood. With real wood, I know you would go with the grain of the wood, but this is not real wood, so we don't have to do that. So basically you just want to get the shiny stuff off the top, so that way the paint is going to adhere to it, because if you do not, it won't, and then you'll just kind of have like a sticky mess. Here I'm just showing you that I'm also getting the sides. Anywhere that I'm going to paint, I'm going to sand down. This is a laminate all over, so I'm pretty much sanding the entire piece except for the very back. Finish. I'm going to take the hardware out of here, all these pieces, and then I'm going to end up sanding the inside, because we don't want to be like opening the drawers and then it be the dark brown coffee color and not white. Here I'm just taking all the screws out so I can get the hardware out, and it actually was really simple and it all came out pretty quick. Okay guys, when you sand, don't forget to get the insides in behind these creases down below, and then get underneath too. I don't know why this is like plain on this side. I guess that is Ikea furniture for you. Okay guys, so after you got it all sanded down, just make sure you take a rag and make sure you get all the sanding dust off of your project, obviously, before you get it ready to paint. And make sure to get the sides, underneath. Basically, don't forget a spot. Front, sides, back, and underneath. Here I'm doing very light strokes. However, I am going the length of the top of the nightstand because I don't want you to be able to see my strokes like halfway through, if that makes sense. I want it to just look smoothed out. Here I'm just showing you that when you get underneath the small parts, like I am right here, that you need to go back through then on the side with your strokes and just make them go the whole way down, because since I'm painting this way, I don't, like I said with the top, you don't want to see it halfway through. Here I'm showing you that I actually made a mistake and I should have painted the inside first. That way you don't get it all over your arm. With the white, I did a little bit more paint than water, so it was a little bit thicker this time. So I'm doing the exact same thing that I did with the gray. I'm just doing long, easy strokes the whole way over the nightstand, and I'm painting it exactly the same way, with leaving a little bit of gray sticking out, because I want to be able to see the transition in colors. I don't want it to just be one flat color. Hey guys, so I just want to recap with you real quick here, since I only showed you the first and the second coat. So the first coat, I did a thin coat of the medium gray, and I did half that and then half water, and then I went ahead and I did the white, and I did it light-handed as well. I did a little bit more paint than water in the white. It was about the same. Anyways, I evenly coated them throughout the whole thing, exactly the same. However, this next part I kind of just want to go over with you because I did do it a little bit different after that. Okay guys, so I told you how I did the first two coats evenly, And then with the gray, the second time I added a little bit of white because I wanted the gray to be a little bit different color because I wanted to get different textures in there. Pretty much did that evenly all over, but then when it came to the white, I did it a little bit differently. So with the white, what I did was I took more white. I took my paintbrush and I did more white here and then on this side. And then I took the paint that was already on here, guys, and I kind of went in because I still wanted the gray and the dark brown color to kind of like show through because I wanted it to look like that. And then I did the exact same thing on the side too, because you can see how it's a little bit more gray in there than it is like on the outer parts. And then I kind of just did it evenly like on the legs all over. Okay, and then I want to let you know the same with the drawers. I did the exact same thing with the drawers, but the next step is to go seal all of this. Okay guys, these are the drawers, and I just want to show you, I took this out the front. This was on the front of the drawers, and then I took, you can see the hardware still on this one, and I took that off of this one, and now I'm about to take it off this one, and then I'm going to go sand this part. Okay, so I did end up sanding the whole thing. I just went back and forth here. I did the sides, I did the back. And then I did end up doing the insides because I am going to paint that, and then make sure you don't forget the back side of the front. I'm just going to paint inside and out exactly the same way as we did the nightstand. I'm going to be using Ace Hardware's metallic mirror gold spray paint, and I'm going to spray these knobs front and back 2 times. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm actually going to flip them over and do the same on the opposite side of them. And then I'm going to make sure to seal them with 2 coats after. So I'm just putting all the hardware back on the drawers and then inside the dresser because we are finally finished. I am so happy with how this piece turned out. I'm glad that I did the knobs the mirror gold color because it just looks so gorgeous on top of that color. I love my lamp on top of it now. It worked out perfectly. I was worried how it was gonna look, but now that it's done, I am like seriously like so happy with this piece. But yeah, it turned out perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more do-it-yourself videos in the future.